Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kushi and today I'm creating a makeup look in just 10 minutes and I'm very excited for this challenge and yeah, let's get started. So, first step of makeup is prepping your skin very nicely. First focus is on your skin. The skincare, the skin prep is like the most important thing you need to do. So I cleanse my face, I moisturize it, I use the serum, and yeah, now my skin is fresh, plumpy and glowy. So let's start with the look. Firstly, I'm using a primer. For primer, I'm using this Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base. This is very glowy. This gives you very glowy base and of course it works as a primer too. You can see like you can literally see the difference. So for the base I'm not using any foundation or any extra color corrector. I'm using these two concealer. These are from Swiss Beauty. They are affordable, they are work amazing and I love it. So this is I'm using 03 and 04 shade. This is for highlighting. This is for like just concealing and I'm not using any other base other than that. So yeah, let's start it. Firstly, I'm taking 03 shade and applying this under my eyes because I have a little bit dark circles. This is from Forever 52. I love this brush. So yeah, this is very high coverage. I only use this concealer and my all pigmentation and dark circles is vanished. Nice, I like it. Then I'm using this shade 03 on my highlighting points. Like on my forehead, a little bit on my nose, chin, under eyes. Blending it. When my face looks full even tone and yeah, nice. Then I'm taking this beauty blender and blending the excess. You can look how glowy the base looks still. And of course don't forget your NAC. I'm using this lipstick because this color is very blush kind of. So I'm taking this on back of my hand. This is kind of a hack you can use. And then taking the brush and applying it. I don't want much blush on my face. I just want a little bit flush of natural kind of blush. So let's start with the eye makeup. I'm using this palette. This is very versatile palette. This is from Mars Cosmetic. It is very affordable and good quality. So yeah, this is very nice product. So let's start. Firstly, I'm using this shade. This eye look goes with any outfit, like any outfit. You can create this with any outfit. So firstly, I'm taking the brown shade in the crease line. You can see how beautiful it's blended. Intensifying the color. Then taking this darker shade only in the outer V. Then taking the fluffy brush blending it. Look how beautiful it looks. Again taking the same shade and just blending everything together. Then taking the smaller brush and taking the very champagne kind of shade, putting this in a corner. So yeah, this is how my eyes look with lashes and mascara. Now for lipstick, I'm going with very neutral subtle tones for lipstick because I don't want much in my lips. For that I'm using this Mars lip liner. Using a lip gloss. And I think it looks very pretty and glossy. For highlighter, I'm using Huda Beauty highlighter. I'm using this and this shade. You can see how beautiful it is. This is the final look, and yeah, I removed the lashes because I don't like it, and this looks so pretty. You can see you can create this look with any outfit for any occasion, and you can style this look with anything and everything. This looks amazing. I hope you like it. And if you like this video, then don't forget to like my video, share it with your family and friends, and yeah, subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me.